Sorry, I'd like to now go back to KHALIDUZZAMAN's paper on fundamentals of agricultural robots.
About this abstract, my comments are session titles of IMIND are suggested to add and explain further the structure of IMIND, and also keywords are needed. These are my comments.
President.
Yeah, I have no comments on this abstract.
Okay.
I found the paper, as the title suggests, it is really more aiming at a basic introduction to what this whole field is about. And so, as that objective, it was really quite a ambitious objective because it's such a large field. What I did find was that even though it was such a large field, the synthesis of the ideas and maybe the basic construction to enable somebody like me who was not so familiar with this topic to understand what they're trying to do was quite good. It was very easy for me to, at the end, understand what the whole paper was about and why they chose those 5 different perspectives in terms of dividing the robot up into the individual components. That's finishing my comments for that one. Next.